Hi guys, welcome to Code Crack, and today's topic is what are HTML tags. So let's start. So, what are tags in HTML? Tags are something where between of which you put your content that you want to show on your web page. For example, this here is an example of a paragraph tag. So this paragraph tag contains some content which says this is some content between the paragraph tag. So, what is tag in this line? Tags are these things that opening bracket, closing bracket, and p, and on the end of the line. Now, how you might be thinking, how can these both be tags? Yeah, these both make one tag. These both make a whole. So, what I mean by that is that this is an opening paragraph tag. This is a way you open it. You put left bracket, then the name of the tag, which is p, which is a short for paragraph. You always write in the short forms, and then it's a greater than symbol, and similar to it is very similar to that the ending tag is, but one slanting dash is also there, which signifies that it is a ending tag. So these both are required for 99% of the cases, as you will know in the future. So this is a tag, and then you put whatever content, and I would say text for right now, that you want to show on the web page, and then you save it, and then you go to the web page and refresh it, and then you see that this isn't. I had already done it, so that's why you can see it. And hence, for an example, we will take another paragraph tag. So we write a tag, and then we will write some content here, which is some more text. This is some more text which will show in the web browser. Let's save it and then refresh it. Now you can see this is some text which will show in the web browser, and it's showing after refreshing. So that's what the tags are there for. Now there are various kind of tags. Now I will tell you more about them in the next video. Till then, at least you can basically understand the basic concept of them. But just for an example, I would let you know about three or more tags. So there is an h1 tag, there is an h2 tag, up to H6 tags. So six tags are these, and then there is bold tag, and then there is italic tag, then there is span tag. For example, let's take one more example of an H1 tag. Now, basically the syntax is pretty similar to the paragraph tag or the p tag that we have seen just earlier, 2 minutes ago. In the similar manner, we'll put some more content inside it. Let's put some content. So these are all actually heading tags. Whichever tags start from H, they are heading tags. Now, heading one text means that the font size of the text will be larger, or the largest, you can say, available. So, this is some heading. We have put some text inside the text, we save it, and then we refresh the web browser, and now you see. See, the text is more bold, more bigger. That's what I was talking about right now. And if we take an example of an H2 tag, the font size of this text would be smaller than H1 tag because it's a next level tag. Next level, not in hierarchy, you can say a lower level tag as well. So you'll better understand it through an example. So let's see. This is heading level 2. Now we save it and then we refresh the browser. You can see that the same content that we put under the tags, and you can also see the font size of the text is smaller than this one. So basically, that's the basic concept of tags. So thank you for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like the video, and so that you don't miss any more videos that I will be posting really soon. So thanks.